Ever pondered why some hotels make you feel more at home than your own house? That, my friends, is the magic of the hospitality industry, where every detail is meticulously planned to create an unforgettable experience. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of hospitality, where the mundane becomes extraordinary. We'll explore the intricate choreography behind the scenes that ensures every guest feels valued and pampered. Picture this, the Ritz-Carlton in Naples, Florida. A luxury resort known for its pristine beaches, world-class golf courses, and most importantly, its unparalleled customer service. The Ritz-Carlton has become synonymous with the pinnacle of hospitality, and there's a fascinating story behind it. In the early 90s, the resort faced stiff competition, but instead of cutting prices, they decided to double down on what they do best, providing exceptional service. They implemented a program called the Daily Lineup. A simple 15-minute meeting where every employee, from the housekeeping staff to the general manager, would gather to discuss the guests expected to check in that day. They would learn about guest preferences, their reasons for visiting, and if they were celebrating any special occasions. This seemingly small step had a profound impact. Guests felt seen, understood, and valued. They would return to the hotel year after year, not just for the beautiful location, but for the personal touch that made them feel at home. But the Ritz-Carlton didn't stop there. They believed that every employee, regardless of their role, could contribute to enhancing the guest experience. So they established the Employee Empowerment Program. Each employee was empowered to spend up to $2,000 per guest to resolve any issue or enhance their stay without seeking managerial approval. This initiative not only boosted employee morale, but also led to countless stories of memorable guest experiences. The Ritz-Carlton's approach teaches us a valuable lesson. In the hospitality industry, it's not just about providing a service, it's about creating an experience. It's about understanding that every interaction, no matter how small, contributes to the overall guest experience. In summary, the hospitality industry is a world where attention to detail transforms a service into an experience. It teaches us that understanding and anticipating guest needs is at the heart of creating memorable experiences. The case of the Ritz-Carlton illustrates how empowering employees and prioritizing guest personalization can lead to success, even in the face of stiff competition. Hospitality is not just an industry, it's an art form. It's the art of making people feel welcome, comfortable, and valued. It's the art of turning a simple stay into an unforgettable experience. And as we've seen today, it's an art that requires dedication, innovation, and a deep understanding of the human need for connection and recognition. So next time you walk into a hotel, remember every detail, every smile, and every gesture has been meticulously planned to make you feel at home. Because in the world of hospitality, you are not just a guest, you are the star of the show.